Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Thank you, Sean. Introducing beautiful black 1983 Hurst Olds 15th anniversary model. As with all Hurst Olds, black exterior, that maroon interior, and of course, those shifters. You gotta love it. Beautiful driver quality paint. Powered by the 307 5-liter. Has an automatic transmission, 200 Ford automatic. Plenty of engine for those lightning rod shifters up front. Of course, AC, power steering, power brakes. Purr's awesome. Sounds great. Beautiful lines. Hurst Olds, the rally wheels on all four. Nice Mastercraft Avenger GTs on all fours as well. Rear spoiler. Inside, of course, tilt wheel, power windows, cruise control. Please hang out at the end of the video. Check out the still pictures that I will have posted. You get a very good look of all the stuff that's hard to see on this engine compartment, interior, undercarriage, inside the trunk. We also have a book with receipts and some history on the car as well. Very recognizable car, that's for sure. People are looking for these all day long, and we have a real nice one. Priced, ready to sell. Oh my goodness, forgot about the 8-track tape player too. You got to have one of those. We even have a Ted Nugent 8-track in there ready for you to jam out. Beautiful 1983 Hurst Olds 15th anniversary edition. Running, driving, turn the key and go. Cool, cool car. CruisinClassicsinc.com is our website. Go check out all the pictures that we have of this, plus this video. Detailed information right there on our site. 614-276-7355. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Again, hang out at the end of the video. Check out all the stills that we have. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and please subscribe to us on YouTube. Beautiful Hurst Olds. As always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.